Important points, Mr. Nikam. And Sumit Chander, would you elucidate? A, has there been past precedents ever that one state where the crime has occurred refuses to, recommend a CBI probe? Another state says, hand over the case to us, to the CBI. One. And on the matter of jurisdiction, a case like this, has there ever been precedents that one police jurisdiction takes over the other?
So, Preeti, I will divide this into two parts. One, of course, is the jurisdiction. I'll come to that later. But let us understand, has there been any precedents before? Precedents between two states having a fight over the jurisdictional issue. We have seen that in the West Bengal case, where in the West Bengal case, the CBI inquiry was initiated and the West Bengal government said, sorry, we are not giving you a go-ahead. We are not giving you the permission to come to our state. Same thing happened in Chhattisgarh, same thing happened in Andhra Pradesh. So there have been several instances. Now, Supreme Court, in a very good judgment, the Chief Justice of India at that time, Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, and I'll quote him. It's a very interesting quote and that clarifies the entire issue. Where Justice K.G. Balakrishnan said, restriction on parliament by the constitution and restriction on the executive by the parliament under an enactment do not amount to restriction on the power of the judiciary under Article 32 and Article 226 of the Constitution. Now that makes it amply clear. Yes, I agree. Under Section 6 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, definitely the state government's permission is required. Unfortunately, or in this case, I don't know, so far as the Bihar government is concerned, they have referred the matter to CBI. The state government of Maharashtra says, sorry, no CBI, we will not permit you. But in this case, if the court intervenes for any reason, then definitely the court can direct the CBI, and the CBI, under the powers now given by the court, can perform the investigation in Maharashtra also, despite not having a consent from them. That is one. Second question of yours with respect to the jurisdiction. Now in this case, interestingly, the Bihar government, just on the basis of an FIR, says, yes, this matter should be referred to the jurisdiction. Now any state can say this only if, in the first instance, it itself has a jurisdiction to decide. Now, what happened in this case? Now, we don't know exact facts written in the FIR. But in the FIR, for the Bihar government to take any action or even refer it to CBI, they have to first see whether any part of the offense they are able to show has taken place in Bihar. Now, in this case, if at all, I don't know, again, I reiterate, I do not know the facts of the case to the details. But so far as jurisdiction is concerned, one, of course, is the suicide. Other is the abetment to suicide, which is now going on Riya Chakravarti. Now, in this case, has the FIR or the complaint before the police station, does it say that somewhere Riya had influenced or abetted in suicide? Something regarding that has taken place in Bihar? If so, Bihar police has the jurisdiction and it can refer. Otherwise, this goes totally in the hands of the court.
Mr. Chander, interesting point I want to now bring in.